Hey guys, Scott here with Everyday Home Repairs, and today it probably should be called Everyday Home Cleaning because what we have, it's in one of our rental properties. We did a kind of a full rehab, and in the bathroom we redid the tile surround. It looks great, but we kept a cast iron tub in place, and that tub has a whole lot of years of soap scum and dirt, stains, rust that we need to clean off, so it looks as good as the rest of the bathroom. I'm going to try out 4 different methods to clean the tub and see which one works the best, kind of serving as a little bit of a guinea pig for you guys that might be facing similar stains, soap scum, and just want to clean up your tub there at home. So stay tuned. We're going to jump in here and let's see which one works the best. All right, let's do a quick rundown here of the arsenal that we're dealing with. First off, I am going to take some of the hardware off so it's easier to clean. So just a Phillips head screwdriver. And then this is a multi-use made by a company called Rigid tool that's going to help me take off the drain. Got some sponges with kind of a light kind of scratch layer, and then also a bristle brush. I'm going to use that bristle brush right away just to get off the loose stuff. And then really our 4 different methods. So starting off with will be warm water. So I'll place some warm water here in this container, and then a 1/4 cup ammonia and a 1/4 cup of baking soda, and see how that one works. Then one that I really didn't expect. So I saw that this works sometimes, and that is using salt. I'm sure that's kind of use the salt for a little bit of abrasion, and then lemon juice. So we'll see how that holds up. One I've seen a lot of different areas and heard over the years, but never used myself. And that is using a 1-to-1 mix. So I'm going to use a cup of Dawn dish soap and a cup of vinegar and mix those together. And this one I'm going to put in the spray bottle, spray it on nice and thick, and then let that sit for 45 or 60 minutes to see if it can eat away at some of that grime. And then, man after my own heart, here my lookalike, Mr. Clean, and his magic eraser, extra durable. So this is the extra durable one. We will see if it holds up to that name. I've had some mixed results with those over time, but that is what we're going to go at and see which one works the best. Trying out all 4 of these methods, starting in the upper left-hand corner with the ammonia and baking soda, and then just using that simple sponge with the abrasion side. Method 2 is the salt and lemon juice. So just squeezing the lemon juice on there, and again, using that same type of sponge to work in the salt and lemon juice. Method 3 is the vinegar and Dawn, which I had put in a spray bottle, spray it on, and then work that in with the sponge. And then the last method there, method 4, is just a magic eraser. So Mr. Clean magic eraser that I just got wet and then started to use to clean off the grime. So worked all these in, tried them all out on different portions of the tub to kind of give them a benchmark to see which one got the stains and the grime out better than the others, and then kind of found the one that worked the best, and then cleaned off the rest of the tub with that method. That's it, guys. A whole lot of scrubbing later, and I think we have a winner. So in the order from least effective to most effective. Least effective, I would say, is the baking soda and ammonia. Next up would be the salt and lemon. Then comes the Dawn soap and the vinegar. And then the winner, that makes it my buddy, my twin, Mr. Clean. These things are pretty effective. It really helped to take off a lot of the dirt, scuff marks. The tub is not perfect, but it is a whole lot better than it was. So I will include a link to a few things like the Mr. Clean pads that I used in the description for this video. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel and appreciate you guys watching this far. Let me know if you have any questions or if you have any experience that goes contradictive to mine. I want to hear about it. So put it in the comments. Let's engage. Hopefully it'll help somebody out there. All right. This is Scott with Everyday Home Repairs, and take care.